If getting in and out of bed has become a challenge or you're concerned with nighttime falls, you're not alone. Now, with the Wonder Easy Adjust Bed Rail by Stander, you can sleep with peace of mind. This reliable bedside safety rail helps you move safely and confidently while offering protection from dangerous nighttime falls. The Wonder Easy Adjust Bed Rail extends in length from 20 to 30 inches long, offering versatile protection to keep you safe and secure throughout the night. It also doubles as a sturdy safety handle that supports up to 300 pounds, so you can confidently reposition yourself or rise from bed on your own. For added convenience, the included organizer pouch keeps your personal essentials like glasses, remotes, or smartphones within easy reach. The Wonder Easy Adjust Bed Rail easily installs by sliding the base underneath the mattress and securing it to the bed frame with the included safety straps. It works with most traditional bed types, including box springs, slats, and non-adjustable platform beds, and fits mattresses from twins to California kings that are 10 to 14 inches thick. And unlike ordinary bed rails that are unstable and dangerous, the Wonder Bed Rail is designed for safety and convenience, offering reliable fall protection without sacrificing comfort or accessibility. Plus, it's backed by Stander's 100% lifetime satisfaction guarantee. And rest assured, the Wonder Easy Adjust Bed Rail, alongside all of Stander's bed rails, conforms to all federally mandated safety guidelines to ensure absolute security and peace of mind. When it comes to bedside fall protection, Stander is proud to offer you the safest bed rails available. With steady support from the Wonder Easy Adjust Bed Rail, you'll feel more confident, more secure, and more independent in your own bedroom. So, don't wait! Order your Stander Wonder Easy Adjust Bed Rail today and discover how easy it can be to feel safe, independent, and comfortable again.